Hello mate, this video is about the Bloodhound tool and its usage. It's a very powerful Active Directory enumeration tool used in post-exploitation phase. Following other things this video will cover for you, its installation, and I'll show you how you can use Neo4j's or could be said Bloodhound's graphical user interface to pivot from an underprivileged user to a higher privileged user. So let's see how do we do it. I have opened up the terminal. Let me zoom in first. Issue the following command: apt install Bloodhound. It will install the Bloodhound tool into your Kali machine. It's available for Windows platforms also. Since it takes some time, I've already installed it. Now run the following command: neo4j console. It will start the neo4j's web application interface for us and will start the necessary services for neo4j. Wait for a while until it shows localhost 7474. It has started. Now let's check out how does it look. This is the web application interface of neo4j. If you are running this for the first time, it will prompt you for changing the password. Since this is my second or third run, I guess, I have already set up my password. Now let's start the Bloodhound tool. Run the following command: Bloodhound. It will start the Bloodhound application and will run in background. Don't close the terminal. It closes the Bloodhound tool. Use the password you changed in your neo4j web console. After successful login, you will need to provide data to the Bloodhound tool. For that, I have already collected data from one of the tasks of mine. Let me download it first. Download is finished, I guess. Yes, it is. Upload it using the upload tool. Sometimes it shows bad JSON data. Just don't panic. Rerun your ingester tools, your Bloodhound tool, or could be PowerView tool, the new PowerView tool, and all will be fine after that. Our data is uploaded and these are the queries which we are provided with. These are the most basic ones and the most required ones also. For this video sake, I am using find shortest path to domain admins. This will show the domain admins group and its related user or direct users of this group. Administrator, Brad DA and Glad DA. These are the direct members of the domain admins group. If we could be one of these, we could be domain admins. Let me run shortest path to higher value targets. You can see Tom and other users here. Since I ran this tool being user Nico, I'll have to start with Nico user. Let's check out its properties and what he has got. Nico user has got first degree object control, one first degree object control. Let's see over whom. Right, just click over it and it will show the following. Nico user has got right honor control over the Herman object, Herman user object. What he can do, Nico user can give himself the right or the ability to change the password of Herman, and after successful change of the password of Herman, you can log in as Herman. Now I'm supposing that we have reached to the user Herman. Now what further? Let's see what he has got. He has also got first degree object control over some other object. In this case, it's a group of backup admins. He has got right DSL and generic right ownership. He can add himself to the backup admins group and can grant himself the, or could be said, inherit the rights granted to the backup admins. In this way, he can read sensitive data available to backup admins by being a member of that group. With that being said, it wraps up my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you need any improvements, give it a comment and subscribe for future videos.